the choose function. The choose function in Excel returns a value from the given data range when the position is specified by the user. This lookup and reference function of Excel is mostly and commonly used to create scenarios in financial modeling. So it just picks from a list of options based upon the index value that the user specifies. And the syntax is choose the user value, and the items can have up to 29 items. Let's see this table. The index values are here and the results are here. So this is the formula producing this result. Let's analyze this formula. It says equals choose C4, that's the index value, that's the position of the value that you want to return among the list. So this is the first position. So C4, that's for first position, and the list are this, Bob, and Carol. So the first one is the Alan. That's why it returns this. So it's going to return the third here. And that's why we have Carol here. And this one is returning the second. So the same thing happens here. This is returning the third value, and this is returning the first. That's why we have 10% here, and this returns the second. So let's take some examples. The following table was used to calculate the medals for athletes taking part in a race. The time for each athlete is entered. The rank function calculates the finishing position of each athlete. The choose then allocate the correct medal. So we are going to wrap this with the if function, and let's see how this works. These are the names of the athletes, the time in which they complete the race, and we have used the rank function to state their position here. We are going to learn more about rank function in a later lesson. So here we have used the if function and the choose function to allocate medals to these athletes. So it goes thus. If you look up the formula bar, just add equal to if D30 is less or equal to 3. This is D30. If the position is less or equal to 3, choose D30. That is, choose this. So this is the position. Don't forget the syntax. The user value, that is the position you want to choose. Then the list you want to choose from. So this person is going to choose 4 out of these 3, and we can see we only have 3 items here, no 4th. That's why we wrap with if function. So if it doesn't fall within this, we should choose no medal, and that's why the 4th position here is no medal. The second position, because it is silver, that is on the second position, that's why you have silver here. 5th is outside these 3, no medal, and 1 is the first, that's gold, and the third one is the bronze. Don't forget that you can also access your function using this insert function tab here. When you click this FX, it brings out the table, and you put in your logical text respectively. So let's say I want to do something here. Just click on the cell, you click on the function, and you choose the cell you want to work with. In this case, I'm going to type choose here, then click go. It brings out the choose function. If I double click it, it tells me all the arguments that are needed for this function to run. So if I'm looking for the first value, I'll just type 1, then I'll put the list here. I'll put my list here, and let's say Bob. So if I just have 2, I can just do that. If I don't have any other 3, the third one, there's no problem. So this function argument helps you analyze your functions so that you choose the right one and see how it works. You can see the formula result is Alan because it's the first one. So if I click OK, it puts it in the cell for me, and this is the formula in the formula bar. Thank you very much for this lesson. See you again in the next session. Thank you.